Hello friends, in this video to use drop cape in the Microsoft Word. So click on start button and run the program window of Microsoft Word. Scroll right, here is the program window. Before using the drop cape option, I have to generate some text using built-in function. I'm going to use built-in function. Type is equal to rand parenthesis start and one paragraph comma 5 sentences, and hit the enter key, and you can see I have generated some text. So I will increase the size of this text. So now I want to use drop cape function. So I have to click on the first line and go to the insert tab, and now go to the text group. You can see text group is here. It has several commands or several options, but we are only interested in drop cape. So click on the drop cape button. It will show you a list of different patterns or designs of drop cape. From here I have to choose any either style. I'm going to choose the dropped. So let's check. You can see the drop cape function is applied to the first paragraph. The drop cape has made the first character of the first word stretched into 3 lines. So first, second and 3 lines. So again I'm going to break this paragraph into another one to insert one more pattern the paragraph, and go to insert tab. Again go to the text group. From here click on the drop cape. Now you can click on the second option, inmargin. Now check. You can see it has changed the first character of the first word of the second paragraph into the drop cape, and it has stretched the W into 3 lines, and it put the W in the margin space, margin area. So now I will show you how to remove the drop capes from the paragraph. So click on the first paragraph, go to again the insert tab and access the and click on the drop cape and click on the none. Similarly you can remove the drop cape from the second paragraph. For removing the paragraph you have to click on the paragraph. So go to insert tab, again go to the text group and click on drop capes, click on none. This was the lesson for today. If you want to ask something, please feel free to leave a comment below and we'll be happy to get back to you.